So today, guys, I'm bringing you my Home Depot Alana fireplace assembly, install, and review. Hope you guys enjoy. We got a new package today. So last week I ordered myself a fireplace and it has arrived. So I got the fireplace from Home Depot, and I will put a picture of it in one of these corners, and I will link the description to it in the description bar down below. So we just opened it. I actually did not film us opening it. So it came in a couple of little pieces. So this is one piece. This is another piece. And a couple of other pieces. Excuse this room. We are redoing everything, hence the Christmas stuff, the kids' toys. So this is our little catch-all room. So it comes in a couple of other pieces. So we are going to attempt to put this together right now. So I will put on some music and you guys can watch us put together our fireplace. Did run out of footage space to record the rest of us putting it together, but here's the final result. Guys, I am in love with my fireplace. It is absolutely beautiful. Again, we got this from Home Depot. It was $5.99.